Taylor's Mill has been here for 90 years. It opened in 1924 and closed production in 1965. We have a conglomeration of artists and artisans who just like space to be able to do their work. With the uniqueness of this building, the roof creates a slew of issues, different problems every day. Because we have such a large building, a lot of companies basically jack their prices up as much as they possibly can because they know, we need the work. And IES was able to give us a great product without basically breaking our budget. Their product is fantastic. They would come in, get the work done as quickly as possible, and we would have basically no problems afterwards, and the price we couldn't beat.